So the new Target debit card actually gives you 5% back on all of your purchases that you do at Target. So you don't actually need the credit card anymore, which is a pretty huge change up in their stuff. Now I'm on their website and I'm actually logged into my Target account. And you can see right over here, it actually says for the debit card, one, connecting your account will actually get you a $50 bonus, which is really nice. It goes into your actual Target Circle account. But you can see here what it does is it actually connects to your existing checking account. So you're going to get a physical debit card to be able to use at Target. And when you use that debit card in particular, you will get 5% back, which is a huge deal because the only way you used to be able to do that was actually directly from the Target credit card, which is now not needed anymore. And that's a huge deal because for me personally, I don't really want to have a specific card to a specific retail shop. Now, if you keep scrolling down here on this page, you're going to see all the additional benefits. And honestly, it looks like there's almost more benefits on the debit card than there are on the credit card. So you can actually go ahead and see you can cash withdraw up to $40 at checkout if you wanted to with the debit card. You also get an additional 30 days for returns. If you use the card, you pretty much get your Target Circle offers. You also get 2-day free shipping and you get no annual or monthly fees on here as well. So there's honestly no real downside to having the Target debit card because there's no cost to you and it just connects directly to your regular bank account. Now, what I'm going to actually do is go through the step-by-step process of signing up for the Target debit card. And what I'll do is I'll post that video right over here so you could follow along step by step as I go through and open an account as well.